another video. Yes, honey, yes. Is she slaying? Am I slaying? Am I slaying? Could I be Beyonce? Could I be Beyonce? Do y'all see this hair? Wait, do y'all? Take a moment. Sus, this hair is bomb. This hair is bomb. But before I get into that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, dolls. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. As y'all know, I am new to YouTube, but like I promised y'all, and I said in my very first video, I told y'all I was going to keep bringing it for you guys, and I am bringing it for you guys. I also received um, all of my AliExpress products except some of my little jewelry pieces for my hair. That's the only thing that I'm missing. I don't know if I should go ahead and just do the clothing review and then do my jewelry pieces later. But I'll figure that out. This isn't what this is about. Oh yeah, and this came from AliExpress too, and this will be in the jewelry pieces haul as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But today, I repeat, today, let me pose for you. It is all about this hair, baby. This is the the infamous Valentino hot choco wig. 5 inches of parting space, frame to fit your face. That beautiful ash blonde that's good for any skin tone that we have been dying to get a hold of because it has been out of stock. And baby girl, it is in stock now. So run over to Freetress and grab you one of these, honey. They are under $20, but I guarantee you, you'll be slaying like that wig was $2,000. You hear me? I get so many compliments since I've been wearing this wig. I feel like a local celebrity. Even my walk different, honey. Even the switching, the twitching these hips when I am strutting my stuff is different. I love this wig. I love this wig. I've been wearing this wig now. Today is Wednesday. So I've only had it in a couple days because I went out to the club Saturday and I popped this bad boy out. And I've been wearing it every day since Wednesday. And I love it. Of course, with any synthetic hair, it is going to shed. It is going to tangle. That is what happens with synthetic wigs. Even though it tangles a little bit, you can barely even tell because it still looks like this. I mean, this is amazing. I am so in love. This color just frames my face beautifully. And it is big head friendly because I have a monstrous head, as you can see. The cap construction is just like any other cap construction. 2 in the front, 1 in the back with the adjustable straps. Like I said, I got it from Freetress. It took about 3 days for it to arrive. Like I said, it was under $20. So I was just coming to you to show you this hair because I know in the last video, someone was going to ask, it don't look synthetic. And when people been asking me who did my hair, I say, I did, girl. And when they say, can you do my hair? I be like, girl, I don't do other people's hair. But yeah, this is the hair. Oh my God. Get into these curls. This hair is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now, I originally got this hair to wear to an all-white party that is next weekend. But the outfit, you know, you got to match your outfit, your hair with your outfit. So the outfit that I wanted to wear this wig with, it was a pantsuit. It was a cute pantsuit, all white, beautiful. But it didn't fit the way that I wanted it to fit. So I ended up switching to a dress. And my dress, I just didn't want the look with this hair. I wanted some longer curls. I like longer hair when I wear the dresses. So I will come back with my new wig. And it is synthetic as well. Because we're going to get into these synthetics, baby. Slaying under $30 is what I'm all about. Okay? So yeah, this. And I do recommend this wig, and I have the details below for you guys with the link. You guys enjoy your night. Bye.